So certification roadmap. In this video we will discuss about how many certification do we have and how we can achieve this and what are the roadmap in order to achieve these certifications, along with the exam prices and details. So let's start from the beginning. We have approximate 11 certification till now in different categories and different types. So start from the foundation side. Foundation certification is AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. This certification is good for those people whose background is from technical sales, marketing, project manager, business analyst, and business development manager as well, who don't want to involve in day-to-day operations in the cloud computing, but they want to know about the services of cloud computing, the ROI, return on investment, total cost of ownership, and the billing details, and the basic overview of cloud computing services, which allow them to sell these services to their respective customers and the clients. So this certification is for those, right? So this is the 1 hour 90 minutes exam, and the price of this exam is $100. This is very basic exam. Then after that we have 3 associate level exam and the 3 different tracks. One track is for architect, second track is for developer, and the third track is for operation purpose. The first track which you are looking in this video is the AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate, which we are normally complete that part in this course later on. And this part is basically allow you and help you to design the cost effective, highly available, and the optimized solution or using the AWS services, using the best design practice, and using the high availability and fault tolerance infrastructure, using multiple AWS services. And after that, AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate allow you to deploy these services as an operation engineer, which normally AWS Certified Solution Architect design. So the Solution Architect certification is the designing exam, while the SysOps Administrator exam is the operation exam. But in the real world we normally work as a design and the operation, both of them, right? So there is you will be the only one person which you will design the infrastructure and you will operate and implement that infrastructure. So both certification is for you, right? And the third one, AWS Certified Developer Associate. Developer Associate doesn't mean that you need to write or build any sort of application using Java, .NET, Python, Ruby, nothing. AWS Certified Developer Associate tells you that if the developer team give you the code, how you can deploy that code using the AWS services. So the main services which you will learn in this course will be Elastic Beanstalk, CloudFormation, and the IAM, Lambda function, CI/CD pipeline, DynamoDB, SNS, SQS, and so on. And once you complete the associate part, you can jump into the professional part. So professional part is actually the merge of the 2 tracks, right? If you will start 3 tracks and after that it will converge into 2 tracks. So architect track will be the same. So once you complete the Certified Solution Architect Associate, you can jump into the Certified Solution Architect Professional. But if you complete the SysOps or Developer exam, there will be only one exam that is technically called the DevOps Professional exam, which includes the SysOps Administrator course and the Developer Associate course, because any DevOps engineer can do and can perform the development part and the operation part on the same time, right? That's why AWS launched DevOps Engineer Certification Program. Okay, let's discuss about the timing and the cost of these exam. If you talk about the Solution Architect Associate, the exam time is 130 minutes, not only for Solution Architect but all 3 associate exam. The exam time is 130 minutes, while you have to complete 65 question on that time. The exam price is $150 for first exam, and if you pass that exam AWS will give you the promo voucher which will help you to attempt the second exam with 50% discount, right? Like I said, if you pass the solution architect associate exam, you will have to pay $150, but if you pass this exam, AWS will give you the promo code which help you to attempt any one of these exams like the professional exam or associate exam with 50% discount. Any doubt? Okay, let's move towards the professional side. Professional exam is approximate 170 minutes and you have to complete 70 questions. This is one of the toughest exam because the question size is approximate 8 to 10 lines of questions in each question, right? So you have approximate 170 minutes and you have to complete approximate 70 questions in order to pass this exam. The exam price of this professional exam is $300, and after November 2018, AWS allow to attempt any exam in any order. You don't need to pass associate exam, you can directly jump into the professional exam. But before 2018, this is a mandatory to attempt the professional exam after passing the associate exam. So this mandatory is waive off and you can directly jump into the professional exam. Okay, let's move towards the specialty exam. This specialty exam is not a part of any associate or professional level exam. So is start from the AWS certified advanced networking specialty. This is very good exam for those who have a strong background of the Cisco side or the Juniper side like the CCNA, CCNP, because this exam includes the routing protocols, routing, switching, BGP, direct connect, fiber optics, VPN tunnels, and much more related to a network side. The exam price of this exam is $300 and the time is 170 minutes. And the AWS certifies big data specialty exam is for those who have a strong background in the big data analytics and the BigQuery side. And AWS certified security specialty exam is for those who want to move their career into a security side like the network ACL, security group, guard duty, inspector, IAM, CloudWatch, and multiple more security options and the security services which are exist in the AWS domain. So all three exams have a same number of times to attempt this exam and the same price like $300. Two more exams are added, but definitely the slide is little bit old, so I didn't add. So the 10th exam is AWS Alexa skill. I hope you know about the Alexa. So Alexa skills is the 10th exam, and the last exam which AWS recently launched is called the AWS Certifies Machine Learning Specialty. If you wanna move your career towards the AI, artificial intelligence, and the machine learning, that certification is good for you, right? So these are approximate 11 certifications, but every certifications have the different number of audience, right? Different audience. So if you have a plan to move your career as an architect, as an operation person, I would recommend to start your career using these three associate exam first. So once you complete that exam, you will see that you will spend approximate 6 to 8 months properly if you wanna not only certified but you wanna qualified yourself as well. So you must spend approximate 6 to 8 months in order to pass these three exams. One more thing, there is no dumps available to pass this exam. You must work hard and you have to complete my slides, my video lectures, and the practical hands-on in order to achieve this certification, right? I hope you will understand easily about these certifications. In next video we will discuss about the region and availability zone which are exist in the AWS side. Stay tuned.